Hello children, I'm Miriam from Spain, and today we're gonna sing the Five Little Monkeys song. I hope you like it. Ooh. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Well children, I hope you like this song, and if you do it, please subscribe my channel and give me some likes please. Bye bye.